This is a hidden iPhone privacy setting called Sensor and Usage Data. It sounds harmless, but it actually tracks how you move, talk, and even use your iPhone. So let's quickly see what it does and whether you should turn it on or off. This setting is found under Settings, Privacy and Security, and then Research, Sensor, and Usage Data. It's designed for Apple research studies, not for everyday use. If you join a health or wellness study, it lets Apple collect data from your sensors like motion, facial expressions, voice characteristics, or how you interact with your iPhone and Apple Watch. But this only happens if you join a research study and give permissions. Now, if you are not part of any research study, there is no reason to keep this on. Turning it off keeps your sensor and usage data private, prevents unnecessary data storage, and it doesn't affect your iPhone's performance at all. You can always check or stop sharing anytime in Settings, Privacy and Security, and then Research, Sensor and Usage Data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips like this one.